Hey my nail babies, it's your girl LaVinci Nailed It, and today we are back with my freaking favorite thing ever. Listen, y'all, spring is coming and I have been obsessing over these 3D flowers. They are so freaking cute. So if you guys would like to learn and like to see how I personally do my 3D flowers, then go ahead and stay tuned. And as always, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on Instagram at LaVinci Nailed It. Again, that is at LaVinci Nailed It, and thanks for watching. Okay, so you guys, I went ahead and got a small bead, and what I'm doing now is I am drying it. Make sure that your bead is as dry as basically possible in a sense. And then I just wipe, my brush off, and I go ahead and pat the center. Now, that right there is to kind of like, I guess, give it more of like a petal effect instead of it just looking like a ball. So make sure that y'all are doing that. And like I said, that your bead is not too wet, because if it is wet, listen, it would be a hot, y'all know what I want to say. It would be a hot mess, okay? So yeah, and I'm just perfecting that because I'm just, I like things the way that I like it. So like I said, make sure, this is a major key, that's why I'm emphasizing it. Make sure that when you guys pick up the bead, that you are patting it on your towel and drying it. That is going to give you that successful bead that will have the nice bounce back when you pat it in the middle. And as always, you can go ahead and add more monomer if you feel like your bead is not dry enough. And I'm just going ahead and doing my last bead right here. So yes, that is all that you do. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And that, my darlings, is how I get my 3D flowers. I hope you guys love this video as much as I loved it. And thank you for watching, you guys.